Right, there's part of my new tool wall behind me. Yeah, can we see that? That's so it's going to be all Garantons on that tool wall. Now, if we just look at my t-shirt here, yeah, this is the old prostate cancer t-shirt. Look, down here, down here, prostate cancer UK. All right, I've lost me doobry for the frame, so I can't record properly. Right now, in my notes underneath is a link of where to go. You just click the link and you can donate a couple of quid. All right, it's for prostate cancer, for God's sake. We could all get it. Apart from the 0.1% that's female that watches my channel. Yeah. So yeah, click the link and donate £2 if you want to save someone's prostate. Yeah. Right. They're setting a challenge every month, and next month in January is 26.2 miles. It's a marathon. You can walk it, crawl it, run it, wheel it. I'm gonna walk it. All right. They're still near on a mile a day or 2 miles every other day. Quite a lot for someone like me, but you know, it's going to help me lose weight. I'm going to do it, and it could save me prostate. Brilliant. Right, now let's move on. What I've got today is a few little clips I found here and there, and I'm throwing them together. You might have seen bits of some before. Throw them together, uploading them, give you something to watch. All right, bye for now. Enjoy the clips. Okay, so here's a Bemis and Cord that arrived. And I'll show you the one I've already done. There is a video on this one, so you can go back and look at that. I'll put a link at the end. Don't get distracted by the link at the end and forget to go and donate to the prostate though. Right, that's the one I've done. That's a lot smaller, isn't it? Look at that. Look at the difference on that. Like the handle shape on that little one though. So I've got about 10 of these now. Here's a third one to look at. See, they're all different. So look at the thumb wheels on them, all different. Right, that's enough of them. We'll move on now to a triple clean. Following on from the other day where I just do a couple of things. I think I'm going to clean this so I can get this back on eBay then, because I've already got a couple of 8s. It's going to make no difference, so that can get sold. Got these pliers, 1964. Plumpton, G Plumpton, that's George Plumpton. Was there a date? Did I say a date? 1964, so they're 50 odd, 50 something years old, 55, 57 years old. They'll go back on eBay because Plumpton sell well. And like I say, these foreign toenail clippers, so I'm going to clean these. I'll give these to the wife for Christmas, so don't tell her, alright? That's one done, that weren't bad, was it? Right, so we got those three. That was just a quick one. I mean, they're only turnarounds on eBay. Trouble is, I can strip something down. It can take me an hour, strip it down, rebuild it, put it all back together, oil it up nicely, and it goes for the same money as if I just run it through the wire wheel quickly. And I've got so many tools to get rid of at the minute. I mean, it's seriously... So they come up really nice. They come up better than I expected, these toenail clippers. Maybe now they're too good for the wife, I don't know. The Plumptons, they're going to go on eBay for starting off at a tenner, $9.95, because they're Plumptons and I believe they're worth it. And this will go on eBay for about a tenner as well. So, you know, not sure about them. Like I say, I might show them to the wife and no, you can't have them, I'm selling them. Don't know. Might just tease her and tempt her with it. Right, so something different again. Going to move on or backwards to when I first got the Axminster grinder and the Axminster polisher, and do a restore on a 70-year-old jackdaw spanner. Right, don't forget, look down in the description, click on the link for the Prostate Cancer UK, and if you can spare it, donate £2. I've put a £5 in, I've set the target at 50, so that ain't much really, is it? And yeah, you can save a prostate. Brilliant. Right, bye for now.